Meaning of fixative.
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 Fixative. A fixative is a substance used to preserve and stabilize materials such as art supplies, biological specimens, and fragrances. When applied, it prevents the material from deteriorating or evaporating over time, and holds the material in place for long-term storage or display. This is accomplished by forming a bond between the fixative and the material being preserved, creating a protective layer that can also enhance color or fragrance. Fixatives are commonly used by artists to prevent smudging or fading of their drawings or paintings, and by perfumers to extend the longevity of their scents.